this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is my October crafty goals. So I'm going to tell you what I accomplished in September, and I'll tell you what my plans are for October. It's going to be really quick because I'm keeping things to a minimum here. So for September, my goal was to maintain, and I did have some commitments, and I did complete all of these deadlines. These were for the Halloween collab that we just did week 1. Week 2 will be coming up. So it's a 4-week collab where every Saturday at 1 o'clock we're going to show you some projects that we're making. I'll put a link in the description box so you can check that out. My project for the month was a fall mini album. I still have not worked on that. I was busy working on Halloween. I got all of the collab projects done, so I just wanted to get that done. Use my stash, use more than I buy. It was a no-buy month for me just because I couldn't get mail. Well, I could, but I just used that as an excuse to myself not to buy. Before I tell you what my goal is for October, I want to show you what I have left from my October paper stash, from my Halloween paper stash. I don't have very much. I have just scraps of paper, scraps of ephemera. I mean, really, I could put that in my everyday pile. But that was one of the beauties of using digital collections. I didn't print out, I printed out what I needed for the most part. And then what I didn't use in the project I was making, I used in other projects. I did decide to keep a couple of things and not use them up. And some of this Tim Holtz ephemera, actually that can go and that can go. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these foam stickers. I'm hoping that's all there is. I'm hoping I can find something. This Simple Stories, it's not here and there. It was from a fabulous collection, and all I have left is flowers. I might use them for cards for whatever, but the colors are fall-like. I have these Halloween words I've had for a couple of years, this sticker book, and this paper. I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm not going to try to use it up. It's evergreen to me. It means I can save that year to year. And if this is all I'm going to save out of all of the Halloween stuff that I had, I think I'm doing pretty good. If you want to see what I started with, I did a video on what's in my Halloween stash, so you can compare what I did. Now, this Trick or Treat Treasure Team collab is where I used a lot of my stash. So go ahead and check that out. Follow along for the next couple of weeks and see how I used it. The last week is a wrap-up, and that's when I used a whole bunch of my stash. So my goal for October is to use up 2 complete paper collections. I will use the Graphic 45 Fall collection and the Christmas collection. The deadlines and commitments are basically the Trick or Treat Treasure Team collabs. So I have Saturday 10/5, Saturday 10/12, and Saturday 10/19, and then I will finish that, and then I will have to do November's crafty goals. We're transitioning from being on the road in our RV to going to our winter base, so I'm not sure exactly how much room. I don't know what's waiting for me when I get there. It could have been hit pretty hard with a recent hurricane, so I'm sort of leaving it open until I get there and see. And use my stash, use more than I buy. I'm putting down don't buy anything, even though I will have a mailing address. I still have things that I wanted to finish this year, so I am going to keep October as a no-buy paper month. And that's all I have for you. It's real quick, real short and sweet for you for October 2024. Don't forget to check back with us next month and see how we've done. Check out all the other people in the Crafty Goals 2024 collab and see if everyone accomplished what their goals were. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.